Welcome friends. In this module we discuss mathematical expectation. The average value of a variable concerned with a random phenomenon is termed as its mathematical expectation or expected value. Consider a discrete random variable x taking the values x1, x2, etc. xn with the respective probabilities p1, p2, etc. pn. The mathematical expectation of x is usually denoted by E of x and defined as E of x is equal to summation over I from 1 to n xi into pi. If x is continuous, expectation of x E of x is equal to integral over x into f of x dx, where f of x is the PDF of the random variable x. Example: let x is the total number of heads obtained when two coins are thrown. Obtain expectation of x. Solution: the possible results of the experiment are the set containing ordered pairs HH, HT, TH, TT. Given x is the total number of heads which can take the values 0, 1 and 2, where p of x is equal to 0, that is equal to p of t, that is equal to 1 by 4. P of x equal to 1, that is equal to p of ht, comma th, that is equal to 2 by 4, and p of x equal to 2, that is equal to p of hh, that is equal to 1 by 4. This implies the xi values 0, 1 and 2 and corresponding pi values 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. Hence, expectation of x E of x is equal to summation over I from 1 to n xi into pi, that is equal to 0 into 1 by 4 plus 1 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 4, that is equal to 1. Definition: let x be a random variable with PMF or PDF small f of x according as the random variable is discrete or continuous, then the mathematical expectation of x is denoted by capital E of x and is defined as capital E of x is equal to summation over x into f of x if x is discrete and integral over x into f of x dx if x is continuous, provided the series or integral on the right hand side is either finite or converges absolutely. Problem 1. On an unbiased dice, the numbers 1, 2, etc. 6 are written on its 6 faces. What is the expected value of the number of points that will be obtained in a single throw? Solution: let x denotes the number shown by the dice. Now, to find capital E of x, the possible values of x are 1, 2, etc. 6. Since the dice is unbiased, x can assume any of the possible values 1, 2, etc. 6 with equal probability 1 by 6. Hence, expectation of x E of x is equal to summation over x into f of x, that is equal to E of x is equal to summation x from 1 to 6 x into 1 by 6, that is equal to 1 into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 1 by 6 plus etc. plus 6 into 1 by 6, that is equal to 21 by 6, that is 3.5. Note: expected value of the number shown by the dice is calculated as 3.5, but it is clear that 3.5 is not a possible number shown by the dice. Then there might be a question like, what is the relevance of this kind of answer? The meaning of this answer is justified as follows: when we are repeating the throw of dice, any of the numbers 1, 2, etc. 6 could appear in each throw without any regularity. If the dice is thrown a large number of times, it is interested to know the average of all the numbers appeared. If the dice is unbiased, the average is tending very closer to 3.5 as we are increasing the number of throws. That is the meaning of expectation of x is equal to 3.5. Or in other words, expectation of a random variable is the average value of the random variable when the random experiment is repeated a large number of times. Remark: by mathematical definition of probability, pi equal to fi divided by n. Hence, expectation of x is equal to summation over I from 1 to n xi into fi divided by n, or expectation of x is equal to 1 by n into summation over I from 1 to n x I into f I, which is nothing but the mean of x. So, it is taking the expected value of a random variable as the average value or mean value of the random variable. Problem 2. A coin is tossed until a head appears. Find the expectation of the number of tosses. Solution. Consider x as the number of tosses required to get a head. Let p be the probability of head to appear while tossing the coin and that of tail is q. Here x can take the values 1, 2, etc. P of x is equal to 1, that is equal to p of h, that is p. P of x equal to 2, that is p of th, that is equal to q into p. P of x equal to 3, that is p of t into h, that is equal to q square into p. In general, the probability mass function of x f of x is equal to q raised to x minus 1 into p for x equal to 1, 2, etc. Hence, expectation of x e of x is equal to summation over x from 1 to n x into q raised to x minus 1 into p, that is p into summation over x from 1 to n x into q raised to x minus 1, that is equal to p into 1 plus 2q plus 3q square plus 4q plus etc. That is p into 1 minus q the all raised to minus 2, that is p into p raised to minus 2, that is equal to 1 divided by p. Problem 3. In 4 tosses of an unbiased coin, let x be the number of heads. Tabulate the possible outcomes with the corresponding values of x. Calculate the expected value of x. Solution. X denotes the number of heads while 4 coins are tossed. The possible values of x are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Expectation of x is equal to 0 into p of x equal to 0 plus, 1 into p of x equal to 1 plus, 2 into p of x equal to 2 plus, 3 into p of x equal to 3 plus, 4 into p of x equal to 4. P of x equal to 0, that is equal to p of t, that is 1 by 2 raised to 4, that is 1 by 16. P of x equal to 1, that is 4c1 into 1 by 2 raised to 4, that is 4 by 16. P of x equal to 2, that is 4c2 into 1 by 2 raised to 4, that is 6 by 16. P of x equal to 3, that is 4c3 into 1 by 2 raised to 4, that is 4 by 16. And p of x equal to 4, that is 4c4 into 1 by 2 raised to 4, that is 1 by 16. Hence, expectation of x is equal to 0 into 1 by 16 plus, 1 into 4 by 16 plus, 2 into 6 by 16 plus, 3 into 4 by 16 plus, 4 into 1 by 16, that is 32 divided by 16, that is equal to 2. Problem 4. A bag contains 2 white and 3 black balls. 4 persons A, B, C and D in the order named each draw one ball and do not replace it. The person to draw a white ball for the first time receives rupees 200. Determine their expectations. Solution. Given the balls taken are not replaced, the box contains 2 white and 3 black balls. Hence, in a maximum of 4 draws, a white ball can be drawn. One's expectation is equal to 200 into probability of getting a white ball plus 0 into probability of getting a black ball. To find the expectations for A, B, C and D. When A is starting the draw, there are 5 balls in the box and out of 5, 2 are whites. Then probability of A to get a white ball, that is equal to 2 by 5, that is 0.4, and P of A to lose is equal to 1 minus 2 by 5, that is 3 by 5, that is 0.6. If A lost his chance, then B is getting a chance to draw. Probability of B to get a white ball is equal to probability of A lose his chance and B get a white ball. That is P of A to lose into P of B to win given A to lose the first draw. When A lost the chance, there are 4 balls in the box and 2 of them are whites. Now, P of B to win given A lost the first draw, that is equal to 2 by 4. Hence, P of B to win is equal to P of B to get a white ball, that is equal to 1 minus 2 by 5 into 2 by 4, that is 3 by 10, that is 0.3. When A and B loses, C get a chance to draw. Then there are 3 balls in the box and 2 are whites. P of C to win, that is P of C to get a white ball, that is P of A to lose into P of B to lose given A lost the first row into P of C to win given A and B lost. That is 1 minus 2 by 5 into 1 minus 2 by 4 into 2 by 3. That is 12 by 60, that is 2 by 10, that is 0.2. When A, B and C loses, the chance for D to draw the ball arrives. Now, there are only 2 balls in the box and 2 are whites. That is, if got chance, D will draw a white ball. P of D to win is equal to P of D to get a white ball, that is equal to P of A to lose into P of B to lose given A lost the first row into P of C to lose given A and B lost into P of D to win given A, B and C lost. That is equal to 1 minus 2 by 5 into 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2 by 3 into 1, that is 3 by 10, that is 0.1. Based on the above calculations, it is immediate that A's expectation is equal to 200 into 0.4 plus 0 into 0.6, that is equal to 80. B's expectation is equal to 200 into 0.3 plus 0 into 0.70, that is equal to 60. C's expectation is equal to 200 into 0.20 plus 0 into 0.80, that is equal to 40, and D's expectation is equal to 200 into 0.10 plus 0.90, that is equal to 20. Problem 5. Let xi equal to 2 raised to I and P of xi is equal to 1 by 2 raised to I for I equal to 1, 2, etc. Find expectation of x. Solution. Here E of x is equal to summation over I from 1 to infinity 2 raised to I into 1 by 2 raised to I, that is equal to 1 plus etc. that is equal to infinity. Here the series on the right hand side is diverging, hence expectation of x does not exist. Problem 6. If the PDF of a random variable x is f of x is equal to 6x into 1 minus x for 0 less than x less than 1, find expectation of x. Solution. The random variable given is continuous, hence expectation of x is equal to integral over x into f of x dx, that is equal to integral over 0 to 1 x into 6x into 1 minus x dx, that is 6 into x cube by 3 minus x raised to 4 by 4 over the range 0 to 1, that is 6 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Problem 7. Given the distribution function of x as f of x is equal to 0 if x less than 0, x square by 4 if 0 less than or equal to x less than 1, 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2 if 1 less than or equal to x less than 2, 1 by 2 into 3x minus x square by 2 minus 5 by 2 if 2 less than or equal to x less than 3, and 1 if x greater than or equal to 3. Find expectation of x. Solution. From the given capital F of x of a continuous random variable, we can get the probability density function small f of x using as f of x is equal to d by dx of capital F of x. So, f of x is equal to x by 2 if 0 less than or equal to x less than 1, 1 by 2 if 1 less than or equal to x less than 2, 1 by 2 into 3 minus x if 2 less than or equal to x less than 3, and 0 elsewhere. We have expectation of x is equal to integral over x into f of x dx. Hence, E of x is equal to 0 to 1 x into x by 2 dx plus 1 to 2 x into 1 by 2 dx plus 2 to 3 x into 1 by 2 into 3 minus x dx. That is equal to 1 by 2 into x cube by 3 over the limit 0 to 1 plus 1 by 2 into x square by 2 over the limit 1 to 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3x square by 2 minus x cube divided by 3 over the limit 2 to 3. That is equal to 3 divided by 2. Problem 8. For the random variable x with PDF, f of x is equal to 1 by pi into 1 plus x square for minus infinity less than x less than plus infinity. Find expectation of x. Solution. Expectation of x is equal to integral from minus infinity to plus infinity x into 1 by pi into 1 plus x square dx. Here, the integral on the RHS is not convergent. Hence, expectation of x does not exist. Expectation of a function of a random variable. Consider a random variable x with PMF bar PDF small f of x according as the random variable is discrete or continuous, and let g of x be any measurable function of x. Then expectation of g of x is defined as expectation of g of x is equal to summation over x g of x into f of x or integral over x g of x into f of x dx according as the random variable is discrete or continuous, provided the sum or integral on the right hand side is absolutely convergent. Problem 1. Let x be a random variable with Pm of f of x is equal to p raised to x into 1 minus p raised to 1 minus x for x equal to 0 1 and equal to 0 elsewhere. Find expectation of x plus 2 whole square. Solution. Expectation of x plus 2 whole square is equal to summation over x plus 2 whole square into f of x, that is equal to summation over x plus 2 whole square into p raised to x into 1 minus p raised to 1 minus x. That is 4 into 1 minus p plus 9 into p, that is 4 plus 5p. Problem 2. For the random variable x with PDF, f of x is equal to 6x into 1 minus x for 0 less than x less than 1 and equal to 0 elsewhere. Find expectation of 2x square. Solution. Expectation of 2x square is equal to integral over x 2x square into f of x dx, that is integral over x 2x square into 6x into 1 minus x dx, that is 12 into integral over 0 to 1 x cube minus x raised to 4 dx, that is 12 into x raised to 4 divided by 4 minus x raised to 5 by 5 over the limit 0 to 1, that is equal to 3 divided by 5. Properties of expectation. Number 1. If x and y are any random variables and g of x any measurable function of x, then for two constants a and b, expectation of a into g of x plus b equal to a into expectation of g of x plus b. Proof. Let x be discrete, then expectation of a into g of x plus b is equal to summation over x a into g of x plus b into f of x. That is summation over x a into g of x into f of x plus summation over x b into f of x. That is a into summation over x g of x into f of x plus b into summation over x f of x. That is a into expectation of g of x plus b, because summation over x f of x that is equal to 1. If x is continuous, in proof the summation sign is replaced by integral. Remark. When a equal to 0, we get expectation of b equal to b, that is expectation of a constant is the constant itself. 2. If x greater than or equal to 0, then expectation of x greater than or equal to 0. Proof. Expectation of x is equal to summation over x into f of x if x is discrete and integral over x into f of x dx if x is continuous. By the property of PMF or PDF, f of x greater than or equal to 0 for all x. If the value of the random variable x is also non-negative, then it is obvious that expectation of x greater than or equal to 0. 3. If x and y are random variables such that y less than or equal to x, then expectation of y less than or equal to expectation of x. Proof. Consider y less than or equal to x, then y minus x less than or equal to 0, that is x minus y greater than or equal to 0. This implies expectation of x minus y greater than or equal to 0 by property 2. This implies expectation of x minus y equal to expectation of x plus minus y, that is expectation of x plus expectation of minus y which is greater than or equal to 0. That is expectation of x minus expectation of y greater than or equal to 0. This implies expectation of x greater than or equal to expectation of y. 4. For a random variable x, if expectation of x square exists, expectation of x square greater than or equal to expectation of x the whole square. Proof. When expectation of x square exists, obviously expectation of x also exists. Consider x minus expectation of x whole square. We have x minus expectation of x whole square greater than or equal to 0. Hence, by property 2, expectation of x minus expectation of x the whole square greater than or equal to 0. That is e of x square minus 2x e of x plus e of x whole square greater than or equal to 0. This implies expectation of x square minus 2 into expectation of x into expectation of x plus expectation of x whole square greater than or equal to 0. Expectation of x is a constant. We have expectation of c equal to c where c is a constant. Hence, expectation of x whole square is equal to expectation of x whole square. Also we have expectation of Cx is equal to C into expectation of x. Hence, expectation of x into E of x is equal to E of x into E of x, that is E of x the whole square. Now, the inequality becomes E of x square minus 2 into E of x whole square plus E of x the whole square greater than or equal to 0. This implies E of x square minus E of x whole square greater than or equal to 0. That is E of x square greater than or equal to E of x the whole square. For a random variable x, we have modulus of expectation of x less than or equal to expectation of modulus of x provided the expectations exits. Proof. We have x less than or equal to mod x. This implies expectation of x less than or equal to expectation of mod x. Let it be number 1. Again, minus x less than or equal to mod x. This implies expectation of minus x less than or equal to expectation of mod x. Let it be 2. 1 and 2 implies modulus of expectation of x less than or equal to expectation of mod x. If the possible values of a random variable are 0, 1, 2, etc., then expectation of x is equal to summation over n from 0 to infinity p of x greater than n. Proof. Summation n from 0 to infinity p of x greater than n is equal to p of x greater than 0 plus p of x greater than 1 plus p of x greater than 2 plus etc. That is equal to p of x equal to 1 plus p of x equal to 2 plus p of x equal to 3 plus etc. plus p of x equal to 2 plus p of x equal to 3 plus p of x equal to 4 plus etc. plus p of x equal to 3 plus p of x equal to 4 plus p of x equal to 5 plus etc. plus etc. That is equal to p of x equal to 1 plus 2 times p of x equal to 2 plus 3 times p of x equal to 3 plus 4 times p of x equal to 4 plus etc. That is 0 into p of x equal to 0 plus 1 into p of x equal to 1 plus 2 into p of x equal to 2 plus 3 into p of x equal to 3 plus etc. That is equal to summation x from 0 to infinity x into p of capital X equal to small x. This implies summation n from 0 to infinity p of x greater than n, that is equal to expectation of x. Remark. When x is continuous non-negative random variable with distribution function capital F of x, then expectation of x is equal to integral from 0 to infinity 1 minus capital F of I dy. Now, let us summarize the session. In this module, the concept of mathematical expectation of a random variable is introduced. This module describes the method of finding mathematical expectation of discrete and continuous random variables. Some properties of mathematical expectation of a random variable are also considered. Questions to be answered are: 1. For a random variable x, the probability mass function is f of x is equal to x by 15, where x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0 elsewhere. Find expectation of x. 2. The distribution function of a random variable x is given as capital F of x is equal to 0 when x less than 0, 1 by 8 when 0 less than or equal to x less than 1, 3 by 8 when 1 less than or equal to x less than 2, 5 by 8 when 2 less than or equal to x less than 5 and 1 when x greater than or equal to 5. Determine the probability distribution of x, evaluate expectation of x. For a continuous random variable with PDF, f of x is equal to 2 into e raised to minus 2x for x greater than 0 and 0 otherwise, show that expectation of x square greater than or equal to expectation of x the whole square. For a continuous random variable with PDF, f of x is equal to 3x square for 0 less than or equal to x less than 1 and 0 otherwise, find expectation of 3x minus 2. 5. Given expectation of x minus 1 whole square is equal to 10 and expectation of x minus 2 whole square is equal to 6. Find expectation of x and expectation of x square. The books for your references. Number 1, Sheldon M. Ross, Introduction to Probability Models, Academic Press 1997. S.C. Gupta, V.K. Kapoor, Introduction to Mathematical Statistics, Sultan Chand and Sons, 2003. T.K. Chandra, D. Chatterjee, A First Course in Probability, Narosa, 2003. S.M. Ross, A First Course in Probability, Pearson Education, 2007. R.A. Johnson, Probability and Statistics for Engineers, PHI, 2005. Hope you enjoyed this session. See you next time. Until then, goodbye.